Hi everyone, Mrs. E here with a quick reading video. These are all the Year 3 and 4 common exception words, our rainbow words we need to know. So let's see. Read them with me. Accident, actual, actually, address, answer, appear. This one looks like a pear, doesn't it? Appear. Arrive, believe, bicycle, breath, breathe, build, busy, business. I always remember this one as busyness. Calendar, calendar. Court, centre, century. Certain. This one looks like certain, doesn't it? Circle, complete, consider, consider. Continue, decide, describe. Different, difficult, disappear. If you know appear, you'll be able to read disappear. Early, earth, eight, eighth. Enough. Notice there's no F on the end of enough. Lots of these words, boys and girls, you can't sound out. That's why they're tricky ones. Nobody said spell them was easy. Exercise, experience, experiment. Keep reading. Extreme. You're doing really well. Famous. February. This one looks like February. Forward. Fruit. Grammar. Group. Guard. Guide. Herd. Heart. Height. History. Imagine. Increase. Important. Interest. Island. Knowledge. Learn. Length. Library. That one looks like library. Material. Medicine. Mention. Minute. This looks like minute, doesn't it? Natural. Naughty. Notice. Occasion. Occasionally. So they're linked together. Often. Ordinary. Particular. Looks like particular. Particular. Peculiar. Perhaps. Popular. Popular. Position. Possession. Possession. Possess. When you possess something, it is your own. Possible. Potatoes. Pressure. Probably. Promise. Purpose. Quarter. Question. Recent. Regular. Rain. Don't give up, we're nearly there. Remember. Sentence. Separate. Lots of people get this one wrong. It looks like separate. Special. Straight. Strange. Strength. Suppose. Surprise. Therefore. Though. Although. Thought. Through. Various. Wait. Woman. Women. What a lot of words they are. You did really well to read them all, boys and girls. Now, they are tricky. You might be able to read them, but why not try our other writing video to see if you can write these words? Good luck.